Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Phpmyadmin and a MySQL account with Create Rights. Now begin. In Phpmyadmin, navigate to your server and click the Databases tab. Enter a concise database name using lowercase and underscores. This avoids future naming conflicts. Next, pick an appropriate collation such as UTF-8 MB for general SCI to support emojis and multilingual text. Once done, confirm the name and collation settings, then click Create to instantiate the database and move to table creation without delay. With your database created, open it and click Create Table to define structure. Add columns with precise types. Use int for IDs, varchar with sensible lengths for short text, and text for long content. Pick date or data time for timestamps. Always set a primary key, int with auto increment, and add indexes on columns you will search or join on to speed queries. Once fields are defined, review nullability and defaults, then save the table. This builds the schema your application will use. Now populate your tables using the Insert tab for manual rows or import to bring in CSV or SQL dumps. Use the format options to map columns correctly. After you verify data, export backups via export, choosing SQL for full restore or CSV for portability. If you encounter errors, check that your MySQL user has adequate privileges and verify SQL modes like strict mode that can block inserts. Finally, inspect the server error log for permission or syntax issues and adjust schema or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.